When you order your Packington free-range cockerel online, it will get delivered to you in an insulated box like this, and they deliver nationwide. Of course, if you live more locally, you can buy one over the farm gate. When it gets delivered to you, open it up and remove the top layer of insulating packaging, and your bird in a box is inside the insulated box. So if we just pop that there. The box itself has ice packs in it. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about storage before we open up this box. At Christmas time especially, you might not have room in the fridge. And if you want to, you can keep the bird in the box inside the insulated box. What I suggest is that you pop in a couple of freezer blocks and change those every day. And I think you can do that for at least a couple of days in advance. Let's get to this. Very distinct branding and packaging, really lovely. And it comes with a fantastic brochure. And we've also got a recipe card. And then this contains your bird, and the bird is in a bag along with the giblets, and I'm going to talk to you in another video about what to do with those. So let's just snip the box open. It will come with this seal like that, and then wow, there's the bird in a bag. So this bag, this is really important because in order to help preserve these, all the oxygen's been removed from that bag. Keep the bird in the bag, and if you're storing it in the fridge, if you do have room, keep it in the bag and store it at the back of the fridge. And then when you want to cook the bird, you leave it in the bag, take it out of the fridge, but let it come to room temperature. It should take about half an hour to an hour. Sit it in the bag. And when it's time to cook the bird, snip the bag open, just move the bird.